you're tired of looking tired but scared of surgery and you don't want to spend a lot of time healing, have we got a rejuvenation sensation? Are you aging gracefully? You can look it by joining the increasing numbers of people turning to cosmetic surgery.
If you want to improve your appearance but you don't want to go under the knife, there are a lot of less invasive alternatives. Every Monday through the end of February on the 10 o'clock news, I'll show you various procedures available right here in our area. Tonight we begin with microdermabrasion.
The quest to be model perfect is greater than ever. Vanity as an industry is booming, especially when it comes to rejuvenating the face. Microdermabrasion, aka lunchtime peels, offered at spas and doctors' offices are hot right now. They promise to erase what the sands of time have done. Tiny sterile crystals wipe away fine lines, revealing a glow you may not have seen in years.
I'll take 2 of them. Now I dump it into the computer.
Daryl Cates is beginning a series of 6 microdermabrasions at the office of plastic surgeon Jonathan Berman.
It will help a lot of maybe some of the fine wrinkles that people have. It will help give a cleaner, more refreshed look to the skin. And that's a lot of times just what people want.
I have fine lines around my mouth and around my eyes and my forehead.
She hopes microdermabrasion will soften those. Esthetician Carolyn Veroni first preps the face.
I'm going to vacuum your face first.
Carolyn says that brings the blood closer to the surface.
How does it feel? Fine. It's relaxing.
Once the entire face is vacuumed, it's time for the big step.
Okay, we're going to start throwing the crystals. So we're going to start at the same place that we started before, at the chin.
The basic concept is to sandblast dry, dull skin and fine lines. The crystals are blown onto the skin at a high rate of speed. A trail of crystals shows the technician where she's already treated.
How does this feel? Fine. Doesn't hurt at all.
Once the whole face is finished, the technician does a second microdermabrasion pass, paying special attention to brown spots and fine lines.
What will she need to do tonight as far as taking care of it?
She'll need to use hydration. She'll need to use a nice moisturizer.
Once that second pass is finished, it's time for cleanup.
I'm vacuuming up any of the leftover crystals, taking off any of the dead skin cells.
A final wipe is followed by vitamin-enriched lotions. The result?
Here, take a look at it yourself. It does look smoother.
But will there be a visible difference between the before and after pictures?
Here's an after, and here's your before, too.
And this looks smoother up here.
And I think it's a little premature to say anything because it's only one session. That's why we need to do this in a series of about 6 or 7 before you see a lot of the change.
And that welcome change from the series will last longer with periodic follow-up treatments once every few months.
Do this once a week or so.
Microdermabrasion costs between $150 and $200 per treatment, depending on your needs. Now, next Monday, we'll look at a very popular way to smooth away those frown lines. Botox injections next Monday right here on your 10 o'clock news.